Alright folks, let's dive into the fascinating world of motors. Today, I'm going to break down the no-load test, what it is, and why it's crucial for engineers. So, what exactly is a no-load test? Simply put, it's a performance test conducted on a motor when it's running without any mechanical load on its shaft. The purpose? To measure the motor's electrical characteristics and behavior under no-load conditions. But why is this test so important? When you run a no-load test, you get critical data like the no-load current, power factor, and losses. This information helps in assessing the motor's efficiency and identifying any potential issues before they become costly problems. Now imagine you've got a brand new motor and you want to ensure it's up to spec. The no-load test is your first step. By doing this, you can verify that the motor's electrical parameters align with the manufacturer's specifications. If everything checks out, you can be confident that your motor will perform well under actual operating conditions. Another key aspect is that the no-load test helps in identifying core losses or iron losses, which are essential for diagnosing the motor's health. These losses can indicate issues like poor material quality or manufacturing defects, allowing you to take corrective action early on. And let's not forget, safety is paramount. Conducting a no-load test ensures that the motor is safe to operate under no load, reducing the risk of failures when it's actually put to work. So if you're an engineer looking to maximize motor performance and longevity, don't overlook the no-load test. It's a simple yet powerful tool in your diagnostic arsenal. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into the world of engineering.